Alright, so Olsa Tools just sent me this Ratcheting Crimper for insulated terminals. For those of you who aren't familiar with insulated terminals, these are the butt connectors it's talking about. I'm going to be putting it to good use here at the shop. My first impression of this tool is I really like it. The tool itself feels very heavy duty, good quality. The ratcheting mechanism feels very smooth. These are the crimpers that I'm currently using right now. Just your wire strippers slash crimpers from Mako. They work good. But we're going to be putting these Olsa Tools crimpers to the test. They say that they have reliable crimps every time. Let's test out a crimp right now. And I really like this feature right here of the tool. You just snug it down and it's not crimping the butt connector, but it's holding it in place. It won't come out. A lot of times with the other crimpers, the butt connector moves. Go ahead and crimp this 18 gauge wire. Ratchet it all the way down. That's it. Didn't take much force. It's got a good solid looking connection. Now let's do a pull test. Wire insulation's coming out, but the wire itself is staying intact. It's not coming out at all. The wire insulation came out just because there's nothing on the other side of the wire. But the wire itself, not even one strand's coming out. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Now let's try it with the Olsa Tools pliers. Let's see if they'll pull it apart. I'm pulling as hard as I can. It's even hurting my finger, and nope. In conclusion, Olsa Tool crimpers, so far so good. If you want to check out this tool or any of their other tools, go to olsatools.com and check them out. They got some good quality tools.